Guys, we didn't enjoy Uthando Nestembu this week without Makumalo. Guys, we love Makumalo because Makumalo is the one who is running the show. You understand? We love Makumalo, guys, because Uthando Nestembu without Makumalo is nothing. Last time we didn't see Makumalo just because Makumalo, she is at work. And nowadays, I saw that Makumalo, she doesn't want to involve herself with those dramas, with those Musamselekus dramas. You understand? She is minding her own business nowadays. That's why we didn't see her most of the times nowadays, because Uthando Nestembu, guys, without Makumalo is nothing. Because Makumalo, guys, she is the one who is running that show. You understand? Because, guys, Uthando Nestembu, we love Makumalo. With those Musamselekus, maybe they are 50 wife or 4 wives or 5 wives, but people, they love Makumalo so much. You understand? People, they love Makumalo on Uthando Nestembu because guys, the Mayeni and Macele's drama, they are not trending much like Makumalo, because it was Makumalo. Maybe when it was Makumalo, maybe Makumalo, she was fighting with someone. That, guys, it was trending too much because guys, people loves Makumalo. You understand? Guys, we enjoy Uthando Nestembu because, guys, we didn't see Makumalo on the screen this week. We didn't see her on the screen. It looks like nowadays, guys, Makumalo, she doesn't want to involve herself with many things nowadays. She is running her own business, guys. Makumalo, she have got many endorsements. You understand? She have got many companies to advertise. Makumalo, she can survive with without Musamseleku's money. She can survive, Makumalo, without Musamseleku's money, because when Makumalo, when she comes at Muzumbe, she stays at Muzumbe. She had got nothing, Makumalo. She had got nothing because I think that Musamseleku, he was using her to take care of Muzumbe. You understand? So Musamseleku, he takes advantage of the young girl because she was very young. You understand? She was very young, Makumalo. I didn't think she was very young, Makumalo, because she was 19 years. And Musamseleku takes advantage of her because she doesn't have nothing. But now for all Musamseleku's wives, guys, Makumalo, she have got a lot of money. She can survive without Musamseleku. Even the Uthando Nestembu, Makumalo, she can open her own program on TV. You understand? She can open her program. Makumalo, she can do that because, guys,